This step-by-step video guide outlines the migration process from Cisco TMS to VQ DMA. VQ DMA is the Cisco-endorsed replacement to TMS, and our modular approach to migration allows for a phased implementation, minimizing the disruption to your organization's operations. There are 4 migration phases to VQ DMA from Cisco TMS. 1. Centralize scheduling. Migrate all meeting bookings to Conference Manager meeting services. Our unified platform provides advanced scheduling features and integrations. 2. Consolidate directory. Transfer your address books and phone books to DMA directory services. This ensures consistent and accessible contact information across your organization. 3. Optimize device configuration. Migrate device templates and configurations to DMA device configuration. Benefit from enhanced configuration, management, and automation. 4. Unify device management. Transition to DMA device maintenance for comprehensive device monitoring, provisioning, and troubleshooting. So, what are the key advantages of migrating to VQ DMA? Improved efficiency, streamlined workflows and automated tasks, enhanced visibility, comprehensive device monitoring and performance insights, scalability. DMA adapts to growing organizational needs. Flexibility. Our modular approach accommodates various deployment scenarios. The VQ support team will be with you on every step of your migration journey. We have dedicated tools and software to streamline data transfers and configuration, whilst also providing comprehensive technical documentation and videos. Are you ready to migrate to VQ DMA? Contact the VQ team today for more information.